In this video we will explore transformers configuration. So why do we need transformer configurations? How it can help us? The use case for this transformers is, let's say if you want to apply some changes like which are common across all the manifest files, right? So if we have such configurations which are common across all the objects, all the Kubernetes objects, then we can use set of transformers like these ones to apply these changes across all the manifest files. Okay, for example, in our deployment object and service object, we need to, let's say here we have not defined namespace over here, right? So we want these all manifest files to be deployed to a same namespace, right? So namespace is our common configuration for our manifest files. The second option is, let's say we want to apply some like common labels across all our objects to identify, let's say when you are deploying some database Kubernetes pods, then you want to define common labels across all pods, saying like label is equal to database. Then you can use labels transformer. In the same case, annotations, if you want to apply some metadata, same metadata across all the objects, then you can use annotations. We saw namespace and prefix and suffix. You can add some prefix and suffixes to your metadata section. So we'll explore all these transformers one by one. I'll also give the link of this GitHub in the description of this video. So let's go ahead and see some of the transformers. Here in my customization .yaml file, I have added a transformer called namespace customization tutorial. So this will be applied to all the manifest files, and I have added some common labels. Okay, these are the common labels which I want to apply for my manifest files. These are common annotations, name prefix. Okay, these are like 4 transformers which we will see now. What I'll do is I'll just build this Nginx app. So customize build Nginx, and now we'll see how the output looks like. So in our service file, if you see, we do not have namespace defined, some labels, common labels defined, we do not have annotations. But if we see the output here, we have annotations got applied, right? And we have this common labels also got applied, and we have name prefix also. Here the name is Nginx service, and we added prefix of sample hyphen, right? And we have namespace also applied. This is for the service file. The same is for the deployment. We got annotation, we got common labels, we got name prefix, right? And we have namespace also applied. But in case of labels, if you see and annotations, it has also applied at the selector level. So if you see match selector, these are the common match labels got added at the selector also, because this deployment has to select the pod, right? So at the pod level, template level also, it has added these common labels and annotations. Okay, so these are the use case of the transformers, which can help us in applying some common configurations across all the Kubernetes objects. Okay, so once we apply these to our cluster, simply they'll just go ahead and update these configurations. Okay, I'll provide the link of this, and we can see this some of more transformers in next video. I'll keep it up to here. Thank you for your time. See you in next video.